Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 2 secant of t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about 4 secant of t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify by ds. ds, we do first derivative for the both side, and you got about 2 secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one go in here. ds, we change by this one. Number four, we can do about factorization. This one, you got about tan t square. This is about trigonometric identity. The square root of 4 tan t square, you got about 2 tan t. Now we can simplify 2 tan t on numerator and denominator, and we got about secant of t. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. About t, we know that this is about from here. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And now we can find the value of t equals to arcsecant of s over 2. So I will put this one to change for t. We know that secant with arcsecant, that is about s over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.